Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today a new unboxing. I've been waiting for this box for 20 days. It's the new Marzia subscription box. I already did another unboxing. You can see the video here, but the summer one was supposed to be in my house at the beginning of July, but I moved, so they got the address wrong, but it arrived today, so I'm so happy. While I start unpacking everything, I'll tell you this is Marzia was a YouTuber that I really like, that she has a subscription box of all random things, and she always collaborate with different artists every box. The boxes are every 3 months, so for every season. This is the summer one, and I can't wait to open it. And so there are two different boxes. Before I open it is so the regular one is $29, and then she has the V.I.M, which is very important marzipan, which is $89. I got the $89 one, obviously, that has more full-size products and other things. So let's start with the first thing. Oh, this nice tote. So I need the card because I don't remember the artist she collaborated with this month. I mean, the box is pretty full. It seems small, but it's packed with things. So let's find the card. I think it's in on the bottom of everything. Okay, here it is. Here. The theme of this box is Let Yourself Go. So the custom products are designed by Haley Blaze, I'm not sure how to pronounce it, with artwork by Erin Lougheed. I'm so bad, but I'll post a photo because I'm not sure what's the right pronunciation of these names. So these are canvas tote, very nice. I'll use it for grocery shopping for sure. And then another custom product here are these. Here's just the paper, but this is okay, it's an art print. Nice. Okay, then we have some tattoos that I love. Okay, temporary tattoos that says heaven is a place on earth and other things. You have to read it backward, and on the back there are instructions and things. Very nice. Let's start with the products. On last box I got a product from Fresh, which I already know I love, so I'm very happy to get another one. And this month product, it's a Fresh soy cleanser, extra gentle gel cleanser for all skin types. Very nice. I'm definitely gonna use this. And then we have, I have a coupon from V.I.M, so I guess there's gonna be something from V.I.M here too. $15 off gift code. Here we have a mini lipstick from Gwyneth Paltrow makeup line, which is Juice Beauty, and it's a very mini one, so perfect for your purse, but it's very small. Definitely not even, I guess it's like 3 application, and the shade is Gwyneth. So next product is this IGK coconut oil gel. So it's a coconut oil infused gel, so it's a nice size. It's 50 ml, not a full size, but you can travel with it, so it's good. Next we have a little mug, very cute, obviously needs to be washed, that says let yourself go, let yourself go, so it's personalized. Next we have, oh, this is so cute, a little harmonica, which is like smiley faces. Let me see. Yeah, smiley harmonica, that's how they call it. Let's try it. Elizabeth will definitely love this, my daughter. Next we have, I guess, 2 pins, because I saw it here. 2 personalized pins. Then we have this quiche air ties. Looks nice, and they have some like pearls in it. There are 5 and all different colors. Next we have, I'm trying to do it fast, eye makeup remover from Make. It's a little, I would say it's pretty much 30 ml, so it's a pretty small sample. Oh, so this I got in the last box too. It's a maca chocolate herbal tea from Ticino. I didn't try the one from last box yet because I was moving, but maybe it's good. Next we have this cake heavy cream, and it's a rich vanilla shea butter, deeply nourishing. I guess, yeah, it's a body butter balm. Again, not a full size, it's 30 ml. Here we have our hum sample. I already got this in another box, and it's air sweet air one. So I don't know, the sample is very small. It's just like one all the birds now. It's just a small, like a one serving, so it definitely can, you can't really say if it works or not. So anyway, oh, another tea. This is the hazelnut flavor. Then we have this Alamis, not sure the pronunciation, superfood facial wash. So a lot of cleanser products, advanced skincare, and this is 30 ml too. Again, here we have this Cargo Cosmetics eye pencil, and the color is Dorado Beach. Oh, so it's like a brown goldish color. Next we have a very, very small sample. I mean, it's very small. It's a Make, the brand is Make, and it's a Moonlight Primer. It's 4 ml. Very small. Next we have another very small sample, which is this Paul & Joe Moisturizing Foundation Primer. I mean, I don't know what's going on top of this tree. This, like, I don't know how you call this animal. It's going crazy. So it's a foundation primer. Again, we have Amika, I'm not sure. It's the Bust Your Breast Treatment. Oh no, sorry, it's the dry conditioner one. I never tried dry conditioner. This is 46 ml, so I'll try and see how it is. We're getting close to the end. We have a mask from 23 years. I got mask on the last box too, and this is the seaweed silky mask, and I like the one that I got in the other box, so I'm gonna try this one too. And last but not least, we have a little music, how you call this, a little stuffed paper notebook where you can write your music, which is very nice, but I'm not sure I'll use it. And that's it for this box. We got to the end. I have to say I like the other box better, that kind of products that I got from last box, but this is nice. I'm not sure I will keep spending $89, which is like $100 with the shipping for this box. Maybe I'll try the fall one too if I like it, and then maybe I'll cancel it because I want to try other boxes. But again, I can't say I wasn't disappointed. Just a lot of small sizes. So that's it. This is another unboxing. I can't wait to get the August one because, you know, this always makes me happy. And if you're new to my channel, I know I should have said it in the beginning, I always forget, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and leave me a comment down below because I always appreciate that. And thank you again for watching. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Bye.